Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to talk about noun clause. Let's get started. Remember that a dependent or a subordinate clause gives additional information to the main sentence. Thus, it cannot stand alone as a separate sentence. Have a look at the example over here. When she comes back home after a long day at work, she likes to take a bath. Now, the dependent or the subordinate clause in the sentence is when she comes back home after a long day at work. And note that it's used to give us additional information about the main sentence. She likes to take a bath. Now, a noun clause is a dependent clause that acts as a noun. Have a look at the example below. She loves Violet. Now, Violet is a noun, but in this sentence, I know that she loves Violet. This is a noun clause. A noun clause can begin with words such as what, who, when, where, whether, which, why, how, etc. Have a look at the examples below. I don't know who called me. It's important to state in your application why you want to work at the company. Now, a noun clause can act as a subject, an object, or an object of a preposition. Have a look at the examples below. Why he did this was beyond my understanding. Now, the noun clause, why he did this in the sentence, acts as the subject of the sentence. And in this sentence, we would like to know whether you see yourself coming back to our resort next year. The noun clause, whether you see yourself coming back to our resort next year, acts as the object of the sentence. She told us about how she managed to get her intern position. The noun clause in the sentence, how she managed to get her intern position, acts as the object of a preposition. Here is a short story using noun clauses. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. I wish I could grow up faster. Why? Well, I could do whatever I wanted. I could be wherever I wanted. No one would ask me why I did something. Did you have a fight with your parents? No, I mean, sort of. They didn't like that I came home past midnight. Of course they didn't like it, and I guess you didn't even call them saying that you'll be that late.